Have you ever wondered what it would be like to possess a magical pot that never runs empty? A divine vessel that could feed countless people without ever being depleted? Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating artifacts from the Mahabharata, the Akshaya Patra, a miraculous pot gifted by the sun god himself. This isn't just any ordinary cooking vessel. This is the very same pot that Draupadi, wife of the 5 Pandava brothers, used during their exile. A pot with unlimited potential and divine power, the Akshaya Patra was no ordinary cooking vessel. Bestowed upon Draupadi by Surya, the sun god, this miraculous pot possessed extraordinary powers. Once turned upright for use each day, it would provide unlimited food until Draupadi herself had eaten and turned it upside down. Imagine having such a blessing, a pot that could feed an entire kingdom without ever emptying. But as we'll see, this divine gift would become crucial during the Pandavas' most challenging times. Before we get to the Akshaya Patra's most famous test, let's understand what led to the Pandavas' exile. After returning to Hastinapur, the Pandavas lived in a magnificent palace created by Maya Danva, a demon architect who built it out of gratitude to Lord Krishna. This palace was a marvel of illusions, with floors that looked like water and water that appeared solid. When Duryodhana visited this palace, his pride took a severe blow. Confused by the illusions, he mistook a solid floor for water and lifted his royal garments. Later, he fell into actual water thinking it was solid ground. As Duryodhana floundered in the water, wearing his crown and expensive necklace, laughter erupted throughout the court, especially from Draupadi and Bhima. Though Yudhishthira tried to restrain the mockery, Lord Krishna subtly encouraged it. Humiliated and burning with revenge, Duryodhana left with a dark plan forming in his mind. This humiliation led to the infamous game of dice, where through cheating and deception, the Kauravas stripped the Pandavas of everything, their kingdom, wealth, and finally, in an unthinkable move, Yudhishthira even wagered and lost his wife Draupadi. When Dushasana dragged Draupadi to the court by her hair, attempting to disrobe her, she found herself in the most vulnerable moment of her life. With her husband powerless to help, Draupadi did the only thing left. She surrendered completely to Lord Krishna. In that moment of pure devotion, a miracle occurred. As Dushasana pulled at her sari, trying to humiliate her, an endless stream of cloth appeared. No matter how much he pulled, Draupadi remained clothed, protected by divine intervention. After a second gambling match, the Pandavas were exiled to the forest for 12 years, followed by a year in disguise. If discovered during that final year, they would have to repeat the entire exile. Now living in the wilderness, the Pandavas faced a new challenge: how to feed the many brahmanas who accompanied them. This is where the Akshaya Patra became their lifeline. One day, after Draupadi had finished cooking and taken her meal, the sage Durvasas arrived with his disciples. This was no coincidence, it was a trap set by Duryodhana, who knew that once Draupadi had eaten and turned the pot upside down, it would produce no more food that day. Durvasas, known for his fierce temper, would surely curse the Pandavas if they failed to offer proper hospitality. As the sage and his followers went to bathe before their meal, Draupadi found herself in an impossible situation. In desperation, she prayed to Lord Krishna for help. Appearing before her, Krishna asked if any food remained in the pot. Finding only a tiny fragment of spinach stuck to the side of the Akshaya Patra, Draupadi offered it to Krishna with pure devotion. And then, the miracle happened. By consuming that single morsel, Krishna satisfied the hunger of Durvasas and all his disciples. Feeling mysteriously full, the sage and his followers quietly slipped away, too embarrassed to even approach the Pandavas' dwelling. Once again, through divine intervention and Draupadi's unwavering faith, the Pandavas were saved from disaster. The Akshaya Patra represents more than just a magical pot, it symbolizes how divine grace sustains us in our darkest hours. When we surrender completely, like Draupadi did, even the impossible becomes possible. This sacred vessel reminds us that with faith and devotion, we never truly go hungry, spiritually or physically. The story of the Akshaya Patra continues to inspire millions today, teaching us about the power of surrender, faith, and divine protection. If you've enjoyed this journey into the mystical world of the Mahabharata, please support our channel by subscribing to Bhakti Shakti Saga. We bring ancient wisdom to modern hearts through stories that have stood the test of time. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell to join us on our next spiritual adventure. The wisdom of these ancient texts is as relevant today as it was thousands of years ago. Thank you for watching, and remember, like the Akshaya Patra, true devotion never runs empty.